Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today in this video I will discuss on how to configure Outlook for Exchange server as a client client user, and this process will ready the user a mailing user. So in this discussion, first the client should be ready, that is it should connect to the domain or login in the domain as a domain network user, and then install the Office 7 or the advanced software of Office package, and then run the Office Outlook wizard. So I will show the practical here. Although it is I am running in the administrator, so its same steps will be for the client user machine in the domain. So that is, I start the wizard of Outlook startup 2007 setup, and this it says the possible configuring Outlook 2007 steps. Next, and this is asking for confirmation, that is it is ready to configure email address with Exchange or other email server. So click on next, and it will automatically detect the username as the same machine is working for Exchange server, and the Exchange is also having the inbox for administrator. So it is detected by the Outlook. The username is administrator and the email address will be administrator@podmo.com, and this is, and click on next, and this is also automatically detect the network connections for the Exchange and administrator server settings, and also login information for this user, and then it is compiling the information of inbox in the Outlook area. So the Outlook inbox will be ready. Yes, it is done. The establishment of network and the source administrator address, and then log on information to the server, that is Exchange server. So it says your email account successfully configured to use Microsoft Exchange. So click on finish, and it will directly goes to inbox with inbox name for the Outlook mailbox. So this is mailbox, and it is getting the information for new mailbox. It is for updation menu, and I should click on no for net search disabling. Yes, it is seen connected to Microsoft Exchange and waiting to update this folder. That is, if any incoming message there, it will be updated. No, this folder is up to date. So this is the wizard to create a username user mailbox in a client, and running of Outlook for Exchange server. Next, I will show the messaging for with the help of new message, and it will work fine. For the address, I will click on 2, and there will be the available address administrator itself, and test1 is okay. So the 2 addresses here, and I testing message typed, and click on send, and on clicking send button, it will submit the mail. That is, folder is up to date, it is mail, and it will goes to Exchange server and then return it to the inbox itself. So it will prove that the Exchange is working fine. Yes, it is the Exchange inbox. This is administrator testing message. So if I check in the test one mailbox, it will also appear in his mailbox. Thank you guys. This is the short wizard to configure a mailbox user mailbox using Outlook wizard. Thank you, and if it is fruitful to you, please subscribe to this channel, iTech Solution.